Hey guys, welcome to another Saturn samples video. Double trouble today apparently. This is my friend Sleet. Alright, we're gonna try Captain Crunch Berry's Smart Food Popcorn at Circle K, which must be an exclusive because I haven't seen them anywhere else. Alright, are they gonna be colored? Kind of. Ooh, smell that. Like you're eating it, put your snoot in it. But yeah, it's kind of. Hey, there we go. It's like popcorn and it's got berries in it. So, oh. Stick. You found the stick. Alright. So, let me try. Oh, this back just a little bit. Let me try the popcorn first. Or do you want me to? Looks sugary popcorn.
Tastes kind of like kettle corn with berry flavor.
Yeah. Alright. Ready for a mix. See how we're gonna do this. Just lean back. Oh, almost. He's not choking, so that's a good sign.
It's not like I imagined, and I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. You know, it's like the combination of flavors kind of reminds me of trail mix.
Yeah.
But with kettle corn.
I think it's also because with Captain Crunch anyway, it's got like the golden whatever cereal in it, and that's kind of what the popcorn kind of tastes like.
You know, that's true. I can see that.
If that's why. Want some more?
Yeah, sure.
One whole bag in there. You want just another handful?
Yeah.
Alright, look. Back just a little bit. This might be the messiest Saturn samples we've done. But yeah, now it's a movie.
You know, this wouldn't be too bad during a movie.
Yeah. So I give it a thumbs up. What do you give it?
I give it a thumbs up if I have
Dogs don't have thumbs. But yeah. Woo.